This has become my secret weapon for muscle and joint pain. Unfortunately, I'm someone who has an issue with a bad neck. I don't know what happened, but for some reason now I wake up frequently with a very stiff neck, which can travel down my body and also give me vertigo, which is also fun. Ibuleve is a max strength ibuprofen gel, so you cannot get a stronger one without prescription. And this is for external use only, but you can combine it with oral painkillers as well if you need to. It's a fragrance-free and clear gel, so no matter where you put it, no one's going to see it, and it dries quite quickly. Does it work? Yes. For me, I notice it after about 5 to 10 minutes. I notice the pain starting to lift. My neck ache almost sort of manifests as like a burning feeling. It's very uncomfortable, and this kind of sort of draws that back down in about 5 to 10 minutes. It's really popular with people who have rheumatic pain as well, athletic injuries, painful knees, joints, and just anywhere you feel like your joints and your muscles are inflamed. It's definitely one to keep in your first aid box just in case. There are a ton of warnings on the packet, of course, do heed those, but generally I've had no issues with it at all. But overall, I've had a really great experience, and it's made a massive difference to my neck pain and discomfort.